The lengths of fish of a particular species are modeled by a normal distribution. A scientist measures the lengths of 400 randomly chosen fish of this species. He finds that 42 fish are less than 12 centimeter long and 58 are more than 90 centimeter long. We have come across information, so let us make a note. Now, how do I convert these statement? See, my total is 400 and less than 12 centimeter long is 42. So the probability will be 42 by the total. Okay. And what condition will I get here means less than 12. So x less than 12. Okay. Now the second one. 58 are more than 19. So probability is 58 by the total 400. And here what condition will I get means more than 19 means x greater than 19. Clear? We have converted the given sentence to mathematical form. Now, find estimates for the mean and standard deviation of the lengths of fish of this species. We have to find mean and standard deviation. Now, in any normal distribution question, we have to make use of this one, that is P of x less than n is nothing but phi of n minus mean by standard deviation. The only condition you should check out is less than symbol. Here it should be less than, only then P will get converted to phi. Clear? Less than symbol, so P will get converted to phi. Now come here. Here the symbol is less than, so P will get converted to phi. 12 minus mean not given, standard deviation also not given, equal to 42 by 400. Next, to simplify it further, I have to shift phi to the other side. So when phi shifts to the other side, it will become phi inverse. Okay. And 42 by 400 is nothing but 0.105. Okay. Now, this value we get from normal distribution table. Okay. But our normal distribution values start from 0.5. But this is less than 0.5. For me to make it greater than 0.5, what I will do is, I have to subtract from 1. So inside, whenever I am subtracting outside, I should put the negative sign. This is a rule. Okay. Inside you are doing 1 minus, outside negative sign. Here no change. Next. So 12 minus mean by standard deviation equal to minus phi inverse of 1 minus this, you get it to be 0.895. Now, you get this value from normal distribution table. If any doubts in using normal distribution table, look at the playlist given in the description. Okay. So this you should get it to be 1.258. Okay, and here no change. Now to get rid of standard deviation, multiply by standard deviation on both sides. This gets cancelled, we get 12 minus mean equal to minus 1.258 standard deviation. This cannot be simplified further, so you stop it here. Now go to the next equation. Here the symbol is greater than, so to make it less than, we have to do 1 minus equal to 58 by 400. Clear? Whenever we do 1 minus, the inequality will change its direction. Now, all the numbers one side and shift this to the other side. So I get 1 minus 58 by 400 equal to, here it is negative, when you shift it will become positive. Now, Put this in the calculator. You get the answer to be 0.855. Okay, and here you analyze, the symbol is less than, so P will get converted to phi. Okay, so phi of 19 minus mean we don't know, standard deviation also we don't know. Next, to simplify further, shift phi to the other side, so it will become phi inverse of 0.855 equal to 19 minus mean by standard deviation. Now, we get this value from normal distribution table and we get it to be 1.058. Okay, if any doubts in normal distribution table, look at the playlist in the description. Now, to get rid of the standard deviation, multiply by standard deviation on both sides. So we get 1.058 standard deviation equal to, this gets cancelled, 19 minus mu. So this cannot be simplified further, so we stop. Now we got two equations. So I will write this one over here. So here it is 12 minus mu equal to minus 1.258 standard deviation. Now, to cancel out the mean, I have to change the sign. So let us change positive, negative, positive. Only then this will get cancelled. So 19 minus 12 is 7. Here add these two. You will get it to be 2.316. 2.316 standard deviation. Now to get standard deviation, divide by 2.316 on both sides. So this gets cancelled. Put this in the calculator, you get it to be 3.03. Okay, we found standard deviation. Replace in any one equation, we'll get the mean. So let us say I replace it here. So that is 1.058 into 3.03 is equal to 19 minus mean. Now to get rid of this 19, subtract 19 on both sides. Clear? So now this 19 will get cancelled. You are left with minus mean. Put this entire thing at once in calculator. You get it to be minus 15.8. Cancel the negative sign, so mean is 15.8. Thus we have found mean and standard deviation. Is this clear?